Welcome to this tutorial on how to disable the taskbar search box on Windows 11. If you're someone who prefers to use alternative methods for searching and organizing your files and applications, you may find the taskbar search box to be a distracting or unnecessary feature. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps required to remove the taskbar search box from your Windows 11 desktop. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button. To remove the taskbar search box on Windows 11, use these steps. Click the Start button, then on Settings. Click on Personalization, click on Taskbar. Under the Taskbar Items section, choose the Hide option for the Search setting. You can also choose the Search Icon Only option to remove the box and keep the icon in the taskbar. After finishing the steps, the search box won't be on the taskbar anymore, but you can still search by using the keyboard shortcut, Windows key +S, or the search box in the Start menu. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new content, and you'll never miss out on any of our exciting updates.